Hello everyone, welcome to ElliottWave-Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is Monday, March the 5th, 2019. The time is 3:30 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the chart of the S&P. This is a 60-minute chart and we have finally started the correction here. Okay, but we're still calling the correction as a wave 4, which means that eventually still can see another leg higher after this correction is completed. And in the 1 hour chart here we can see that the rally from 2612 low is unfolding as an impulse here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5, and then that ends with 5 in the blue and also with 3 in the black. So you can see it's with 1 here subdivided nicely into 5 waves, with 3 subdivided into 5 waves, and this one also subdivided into 5 waves as a diagonal. And now this move lower here looks impulsive, so that means that as far as we stay below here, which is the high from today, as far as the bounce stays below there, we can see another leg lower to finish an ABC zigzag correction. And then once the ABC zigzag correction is finished, we can see further upside again in the wave 5. Now the alternate suggests that even though this looks like a 5 waves, we can be doing a flat, for example, from here A, B, expanded flat, C, right? So that's when the C is a 5 waves, and if it is a flat from here, then we will go to new high from here instead of doing another leg lower. So the right side at this moment, the momentum and everything else still pointing to the upside. So technically we don't really like selling it, and we think that still has a chance to see more upside as long as the pullback find buyers in 3711 swing. Now if we take a look at other indices over here, now this is the 4-hour chart of the S&P, just to give you idea where we are. So this is with 3 here. So the rally starting from the end of December last year, looking impulsive. We got 1, 2, and then now this is ending 3, and now we are doing this with 4 pullback in 3711 swing, all right, before the next leg higher. Okay, so from Elliott Wave perspective, usually with 4 can be between 23.6 or sometimes even less than that, right? Sometimes even less than 23.6 in 3711 swing before the next leg higher again. One more time. All right, if we look at other indices though, for example, if we look at the DAX, the structure is more clear in my view. Now you can see in the DAX in the 4-hour here, this is not an impulse unlike the US indices, but we can see a clear connector here in the middle, right? So we have what is a clearly a 3 swings in the DAX from the low of last year. And if we measure the extension, the Fibonacci extension, we can see that the DAX, now this one looks like a flat, this looks impulsive, so this is an ABC. So we have not reached the 100% extension of the first leg compared to the third leg, right? So that means the DAX here, if it does not truncate, which should not be our primary assumption, our primary assumption should always be extending into 100% at least, then that means that the DAX still missing another leg higher to reach the equality. And so that means if the DAX still going to do that, okay, then S&P, it makes sense for S&P to expect this pullback that we saw right now to find buyers in 3711 swing for at least one more leg higher, right, until the DAX here reaches the 100%. So that's what we're expecting in the S&P right now. And if you want to follow the next update, you can join us. We have a 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. And have a nice day everyone, and see you all again next time.